Well folks, that was the bike's first mini ride in 22 years and a successful result. I'm really happy. I've had to make a few adjustments. I've tightened the clutch and I've altered the idle slightly. That's air and petrol mixture. So the bike's running sweet. It ticks over nicely on its own now. And I've made a temporary side stand extension because when you put the stand up, it disappears behind the exhaust. Okay, let's give it some revs and one last mini test ride. Well, that was fun and I hope you enjoyed. Yeah! Okay folks, well over the past week the bike has sadly deteriorated. It's losing power and has acceleration problems. Never give up, never surrender. Something wrong. So I've got a spare regulator rectifier because it's highly possible that this is broken or on its way out. Okay folks, I'm going to order a new coil next. There is obvious burning. Well folks, after some electrical testing and research, I've found some hidden faults. Oh dear. That was a weak wire that the mice had chewed and now it's broke. And I've discovered that this is the wrong rectifier regulator for the bike. This is for a Honda. I've studied a wiring diagram and this one has an extra wire on it where it shouldn't have been. So it messed things up. Then I've also discovered that the spark plug caps have no resistance, so they've not been working well, and inside they're perished. So I'll order some new parts. I haven't tested any other electrical components yet, but it's progress. So to be continued. And next job folks is to get all the troubleshooting sorted. Yeah, wrong and broken old electrical parts explains why the bike's been struggling. I much appreciate all your support folks and ride safe. Please like and subscribe folks. Thanks for watching. Right, there's another problem, leaky engine. Then to top things off, I've noticed another small leak coming from the rear brake master cylinder. So the project's going to take longer than originally thought, folks. Yep, there's more work to be done.